If you don't have a printer in your house and you need to send it somewhere else or take it to somebody else to have it printed, you can totally do that. So under the drop down, you can have something installed on your computer which is print to PDF. I like to leave the add bleed toggle on. And the reason why I do this is because if you've added a white border, it does nothing to your project. It will change absolutely nothing. If you haven't added a white border to your project and your project is the edge of this design, then what it does is it adds a few extra pixels of color so that if your calibration isn't 100% correct, you won't have a white line where the cut hasn't quite exactly lined up. So I like to leave bleed on because it saves me just in case I forgot that I didn't add a white border. And that means that if my calibration, for whatever reason is slightly out, it won't actually mean that the project is going to look, So I like to leave it on. So you're going to select that and you're going to then click print. You're going to then give it a name and save it to your computer, as it will save as a document type, which is a PDF. So we're going to save it. And from there, you can take that file and email it to whoever you need to email it to, save it on a flash drive and take it to a printer, wherever you need to send it to, and they can then just print that for you. And then you can come back to this project and you don't have to go through the whole printing step again. Because once you click continue on the next screen, on the right hand side of your screen there's an option that says I've already printed. So if you've printed multiples or you've printed it somewhere else, you can just click I've already printed and you will automatically go on to the next step. These tips and so much more are in my brand new Cricut Print Then Cut Jumpstart Workbook. This is an 80-page workbook filled with so many tips, tricks, processes, things that you need to know, what kind of printable materials you need to use, how you need to upload your images, caring for your cutting mats, and so much more. And all for only $19. That is less than 25 cents per page. So if you're interested in learning everything that there is to know about Print Then Cut, check out the link below, and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, be kind to someone today. See you soon.